All right, we got the key here. Let's do a first start with the new Dynovox 5-inch Delete exhaust kit. So here we go. Oh yeah. And this is on a 75 horse tune. We're in the 5th gen with the Dynovox 5-inch exhaust kit and windows up. Man, it's not bad. Like, I mean, you can hear it, but I'm really not getting a lot of terrible drone or, you know, a lot of noise in the cab. What's up, everybody? I hope everybody's having a blessed day out there. So today, as you can see, we got my 2019 Ram 2500 on the lift with the Cummins, baby. And we are going to be making this truck sound a whole lot better. So right now we have the stock exhaust system on this truck, and it is currently not deleted, but it's about to be. So let's get a shot of what it sounds like before we get this thing fully deleted. Nice and quiet. Can't hardly hear it running. So this is our new exhaust kit from Dynovox. This is a full 5-inch turbo back exhaust system for my truck. We're gonna get this box open. We're gonna lay all the pipes out. All right, so we got the box cut open here. Those are some massive pipes. Looks pretty dang good too, if you ask me. Oh yeah, I like this this flange on this pipe already. That is much better than the last kit I got from another company. As far as the flange goes, it's actually nice and thick. And yeah, we did a delete system on my previous truck I used to have, kind of with a similar kit, but it's from a different company, and the flange was kind of a problem. We had to kind of modify it a little bit, but this looks so much better. This, I have no doubt that's going to fit perfectly. So I like that already. Right out of the box, this kit looks fantastic. These are going to be probably some clamps. Yep, they give you these big band clamps. Stainless steel. Looks pretty jam up. Got a bunch of those. More pipes. Alright, so that's with the whole exhaust system laid out on the floor. That's going to be the tailpipe section, and then the over the axle part right here. Go on down. We'll probably have to trim some of this because this kit's, you know, made to fit pretty much all the trucks, you know, whether you got a long bed, short bed, regular cab, crew cab, all that kind of stuff. But again, I'm really This is what's getting me on this kit. I'm really liking the flange on this. This is by far the best flange I've seen on similar kits like this. So this one's getting a thumbs up already. And then again, these are all the clamps they supply you with. They look real nice. All right, so we got the truck up. We just sprayed all the little rubber hanger mounts with some oil. Definitely helps getting those things off. And obviously we're gonna be getting rid of all of this garbage. Nothing but garbage and headaches. That's all this crap is. Complete waste of money and nothing but problems. Ever since I bought this truck, on day one I had problems with this DEF, and I'm done with it. It's complete garbage. It's a joke. It doesn't work. It's just absolutely useless. So we're gonna get rid of that crap, install the good crap. So basically everything you can see that's hooked to the exhaust, all the plugs, connectors, any wiring, any mounts, all that's got to be unplugged and pulled off. And so that's what we're going to do. And then you got up here the turbo flange. I don't have my light with me, but up there you got the little sensor right behind the turbo. We're going to unscrew that. Don't need that no more. And you got a clamp on the turbo to pull off the downpipe. So we're going to get all this stuff loosened and removed, and you should see it here on the floor momentarily. Alright guys, so we got the turbo downpipe stock piece off. Got this stupid barrel full of crap right here off. We got the filter off, and parts of the tailpipe and axle assembly, all of it off. So you can see got a big opening now to fit our 5-inch exhaust in. There's our turbo, or turbski. So we're gonna go get the new downpipe and go ahead and try to get it attached real quick. All right guys, we got the full Dynovox 5-inch turbo back exhaust kit installed. So let's go under the truck, check it out, see what it looks like. So you can see all of our no good garbage, factory parts that don't work is over there on the floor. There's the tailpipe section. We didn't trim anything off the tailpipe section. I might. I haven't made my mind up yet, but looks pretty good. All the exhaust hangers line up, clamps on real nice. You can see these hangers fit real good. Everything lined up really good. I was really impressed with this kit. Fits really nice. You can come down here, and where we did mess up, I want to note, is I thought this was actually going to connect directly to the turbo like the last kit that I did on my previous truck, and it does not. You actually have to retain the factory downpipe right here, the flex part that comes right off the turbo, and then this exhaust kit actually mounts right here to that factory downpipe. But other than that, everything fits like it should. Looks real nice. It's very nice quality pipe. All right, so we're gonna let the truck down. We're gonna start this thing up, see what the new beast sounds like. Oh yeah. Oh my God, this thing sounds sick. She sounds sick. It's really not too loud outside, just idling. But when you get on it, like, you definitely hear it. And this is on a 75 horse tune. Nothing crazy, just a little 75 horse bump delete tune, so. Heck yeah, dude, I'm loving it. Looks good. Sounds just right. Alright, so this is inside the cab running. I got the two front windows rolled down. You can, I mean, I can hear it, but it's not super noticeable sitting here idling. I'm gonna rev it up a little bit. Definitely hear it when you get on it. Let's roll the windows up. Still very quiet inside the cab idling. All right, let's try getting on a little bit more. Not too bad. You can hear a little bit of a drone to it. We'll get some driving down the road footage here in a minute and see how that is. All right, guys, so we're in the 5th gen with the Dynovox 5-inch exhaust kit and windows up. Man, it's not bad. Like, I mean, you can hear it, but I'm really not getting a lot of terrible drone or, you know, a lot of noise in the cab. But, you know, I don't know if the 5th gens just have a little bit more sound deadening or something than the 4th gens, because I know my 4th gen Ram I had before this, it was, I mean, it was loud, but it's quiet. It's a lot quieter than I thought it was going to be inside the cab. We're about to get on the highway and we'll see how the drone is on the highway here real quick. I mean, that was me kind of getting on it, but it's not bad. Doing about 70. Put the exhaust brake on. Yeah, I mean, honestly, for straight 5-inch pipe with no muffler, I'm really surprised it is not terrible loud in here. It's comfortable. I mean, it's still really comfortable in here. It's not loud. I'm not really getting any drone. Pretty legit. I'm gonna let off the throttle here and let the exhaust brake kick in, see what that sounds like. Can't really hear it. I mean, I can hear the whistle. I can hear the little whistle, you know, little screech it does, but it's really not loud. Well, there you go. That's it. That's the new Dynovox 5-inch exhaust race pipe system delete kit. Again, this kit fit very nice. It looks nice. The quality is actually very, very good. Very impressed with the quality on it, and everything fit together pretty good. No issues. We did have to trim a little bit of the pipe section because, again, this is a two-wheel drive short bed truck, and these kits come with enough pipe to do the long beds, you know, 4x4s, crew cabs, mega cabs, all that stuff. But it went together very nice. It sounds amazing. Definitely sounds like a diesel now. Sounds like a Cummins. And most of all, no more garbage DEF that doesn't work. That crap is useless. It is just a joke. Nobody should have to endure that crap. It's a pointless, worthless joke. That's all I'm going to say. And 99% of people is going to agree with me on that. It's an absolute joke and a money pit and a waste of money, literally. Again, you know, I bought this truck. I didn't even get it off the dealer lot, and had an issue with the DEF system right away. Took the truck back to them. They had the truck for 4 weeks. They had to literally replace everything and told me it was like $10,000. Luckily, they covered it because I didn't even make it off the lot. But that could have been super costly to me or the next person, and I am not going to deal with that. Not going to deal with it at all. I'm not going to deal with being out of town and having an issue with it. Go down and go into limp mode. I'm just not going to deal with it. It's stupid. It's pointless. It doesn't do anything for you. A good clean tune is much better than having this garbage crap on your truck that doesn't work and just stays broken and burns more fuel anyway when it goes into regen. It's just absolutely stupid. So that's my opinion on it. But if you want to do away with it and make your truck sound a little bit better and have no more problems, click the link below. It'll take you right to this kit. And again, I hope the video helped you guys out. Don't forget, give video a thumbs up, comment down below what you think. We'll see you guys on the next one.